Team mar basketball mar Thunder oyango yudo sei ma jatugo Derrick Mekenya kuok e team mar Koto Cordoba e piny mar Spain Division mar 2. Mekenya ne onyuol kendo dongo e piny USA kama bang'e noloko pinye bedo Kenya ka oyudo tipo mar tugo ne Kenya e tuke mag Afro Basket higa mar 2023. Thunder ni otego timgi motelo ne chakruok mar lig mar basketball e pacho ka.
Just a hard worker, come out here, have fun, play to the best of my ability, make sure my teammates are also having fun, playing as hard as we can, scoring the ball as well as defending as best as we can, and hopefully win as many games as we can.
We are now going outside there, not basically as a local club. We are going there as a Kenyan. We are now going to represent a flag. So we don't want to go outside there and then, we come out with a little bit of some bad stats, because we are going there and we want to actually be able to be the first team at least to make it through